Now, your ABC 7 First Alert weather forecast with meteorologist John Scalzi.
Temperature and dew point are like that this morning, really close together. 76-degree dew point, 77-degree air temperature, giving us 96% relative humidity. So it's a very thick, sticky start to the morning. And as we head into the afternoon, I think the heat indexes will probably be approaching 100 to 105 once again today, despite the fact that maybe our temperatures might be held down a degree or two by the cloud cover that'll be around. Southeast wind coming in at about 8. Southerly wind flow will continue throughout the morning hours, bringing us a 30% chance of showers during these morning hours, a 78-degree air temperature by 7 a.m. And then as we head into the mid-morning and into the afternoon, we'll up the rain chance to about 50% for perhaps some thunderstorms around, some more thunderstorms. We already had a few this morning. I think we'll have more of them this afternoon, and probably larger, more intense ones. Those will be in inland areas mostly, but still, even coastal regions has a chance. And then as we head into the 7 p.m. hour, I think things will start to wind down just a little bit. So we have lots of shower and thunderstorm activity to the north. There could be some flooding issues up here around the Big Bend region. It's just been a persistent issue because of a trough of low pressure that exists to the north of us. We don't really get that troughiness here, although we get the southern extent of it. We do get the southwesterly wind flow around an area of high pressure pushed to the south by that trough of low pressure. And that helps to induce these showers that we see around, even a few thunderstorms in the forecast. So right now we have one thunderstorm that's in progress along 75. So it's kind of a sloppy drive on 75 between Bee Ridge Road and University. That whole area getting some pretty moderate rainfall right now. So watch out there. There could be some slippery road surfaces. In a half an hour, that'll be gone, and that 75 corridor will be a little bit more smooth sailing. Down to the south around Venice, there are a couple of showers out in Gulf waters about to make it on shore, so watch for that, Venice, especially areas just to the south of the city itself. You're going to see perhaps some more intense rainfall right along the coastline. Satellite view shows kind of a mix of sun and clouds in store for you today. That kind of mix of sun and clouds will allow for the daytime heating to take place, and with that, further destabilization of the atmosphere leading to those scattered showers around. Now, this is precipitable water. In other words, the amount of moisture that's available to produce rainfall in the atmosphere. The redder is wetter on this map, and the blue is a little bit drier. Watch what happens on this computer model as we put it into motion. The dry air retreats just a little bit by Saturday, and this little bit, the moist air retreats, and the dry air kind of works its way in across central Florida, reducing our rain chances just a little bit. But it doesn't last long. Moisture returns pretty quickly as a little impulse dives south, and that brings us back up to good rain chances for Sunday and Monday. So the forecast kind of shaping up like this for today. Boating, southwest winds at about 10 knots, light chop 2-foot seas, and the extended range forecast 91 for today and tomorrow. Good chances of rain both days, but I think maybe tomorrow maybe a little bit less coverage as that dry air works in. Then on Saturday, about a 30% chance of rain showers, probably the driest day of the 7 days ahead. Saturday, there'll be a lot more sunshine around. Sunday, rain shower chances return, and that carries us into next work week.